Hey everyone, Tech5 here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up our TikTok account. From here on, we're going to tap on our profile. And once you tap on your profile, you're going to tap on the top 3 lines on the right-hand corner. And that'll open up a menu like this, and you go to Settings and Privacy. Now from Settings and Privacy, you're going to tap on Account. And right here where you says Deactivate or Delete Account, we're going to tap on that. And here we go. We have the option to delete account permanently. So we're going to tap on that. Now, when you do delete it, you can give a reason why, or you can skip. I'm just going to skip here, for example, and then you can hit continue. And then if you want your data, you can download it, but if you don't have to do it. So hit continue. And what happens is when it comes to deleting a TikTok account, it will first be deactivated for 30 days, which means it won't be visible to public. And after the 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So that means if you want to have a recover within the 30 days and decide to change your mind, just log back in and it will stop it from getting deleted. So we can hit continue, and then you're going to be sent a code to your phone number or your email to verify you. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a code that was just sent to me. Again, you're going to get different codes, so it won't matter if you try to use this code. This just gives you a new code. And if you're ready to delete, you just click on delete and it's going to delete your account. As you can see here, it deleted, logged me out. And keep in mind, if you do decide to undo this, you have 30 days to log back in. But if you don't log back in or do anything in 30 days, it will then be permanently deleted. That's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.